Is your car failing its smog test, making strange knocking noises, or smelling like unburned fuel every time you park? You might be chasing a ghost in your exhaust system known as code P041E, which indicates an intermittent or erratic signal from the exhaust gas recirculation temperature sensor B circuit. This sounds complicated, but it basically means the sensor that monitors the heat in your EGR system is sending confused signals to the engine computer. The EGR system is crucial because it takes some of that exhaust gas and sends it back into the engine to be reburned, which lowers emissions and keeps your engine running efficiently. This sensor is a resistor that changes with heat, helping the computer decide how much flow to allow. Since this sensor lives in the exhaust, it deals with extreme heat cycles, which can bake the wiring and ruin the sensor over time. Troubleshooting this starts with a good visual check. Look for black soot around the sensor area, which tells you there is an exhaust leak. Leaks can throw off the readings. Check the wires carefully because the heat from the exhaust manifold can melt the insulation, causing shorts. If the wires look good, you might just be dealing with a dirty system. Carbon and soot buildup is the enemy here. You can try removing the sensor to clean it, but be very careful. These things seize up tight. You might need to heat the area around the sensor with a torch to get it loose, but do not force it or it will snap off, turning a cheap repair into a nightmare. Once it is out, soak the tip in carburetor cleaner and use a wire brush to knock off the carbon. When you put it back in, use a little high-temperature anti-seize on the threads so it comes out easier next time. If cleaning does not work, you need to test the sensor's resistance with a multimeter and compare it to the manufacturer's chart. If the resistance values are jumping all over the place, the sensor is toast and needs to be replaced. It's not usually a severe problem that will leave you stranded, but fixing it sooner rather than later will save your fuel economy and keep your exhaust system happy.